beautiful people. My name is Sophia, and I'm here to create a new world with you. I hope, guys, that you're doing great. I am doing fantastic. Today we're going to be blessed with Archangels, Gabriel, the Archangel that take good care of our communication and hope. This is a very high vibrational incense. Thank you for being here with us today. I am truly grateful for every single one of you guys. Thank you for being here, part of my journey. Thank you for all the new subscribers. Thank you for booking one-on-one session with me, for booking the retreat with me. Thank you so much, guys. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Like this Lion Gate portal is about to be amazing. Let me know if in the comment section if you can already feel it. For those of you who do not know me, I'm a shaman, I'm a mental health counselor, I'm a star seed, I'm an hybrid multidimensional star seed, and I'm here on planet Earth to help Mother Gaia's frequency to raise and heal through you. The more you heal, the more Mother Gaia can heal herself from any density, interference, toxicity. This 888 portal is going to be orchestrated by Sirius, and it's a doorway to miracle. And I'm here today to activate your body to be prepared to receive the maximum intensity of light that your body can handle from this 888 portal. I want you to close your eyes, to take a deep breath in now, and exhale slowly. Again. And exhale slowly. Last time, and exhale slowly. Archangel Citrine, thank you for being here. Archangel Sandalphon, thank you for helping me. recalibrating your body to be ready to receive the light code that will benefit your ascension for the Lion's Gate portal now. Washing away what do not serve your highest and best good. Now, okay. Clearing and cleansing what do not serve you. Checking up your body, checking up your light body, and recalibrating your system. Washing away any density, any toxicity now. Archangel Michael, thank you for surrounding collective with a deep blue globe to protect this healing session. Archangels, thank you for assisting me. Calling in thought. Thank you for being here. Cosmic Dragon is now to burn. Burning. What do not serve your highest and best good. Clearing. Clearing your body from any density to prepare yourself That was a quick transmission that wanted to come since this morning. Clearing the space. Now, fluffing your auric field. It's hot in here. Bright flame is now fluffing your auric field, removing any residual energy. Out. It was a low vibrational entity trying to interfere. You're not welcome here. Out. Sakme. Thank you for asking this entity, this individual, to leave the space alone now. Thank you, guys. And channeling the energy of the citrine stone, connecting your solar plexus to the citrine frequency, activating within you, within your solar plexus, the citrine frequencies, for you to prepare your body to receive the maximum intensity of light. Thank you, Goddess Citrine. I love you. For those of you that want to book a one-on-one session with me, please visit my website. And if you do not know, I am organizing a retreat in Lanzarote in October. Again, you can find the details on my website, the brochure, all the information. I would love to see you there if you're ready for the next level of healing. You should be there. You should be there. Thank you, Holy Spirit. I would like to have a clear message regarding the 888 portal. What do we need to know now? Thank you, Holy Spirit. This retreat is going to be monumental. It's going to have some shamanic ceremony, water ceremony, yoga practice, and breathing, teaching, empowerment. We're going to share real moments of resurrection together. Your soul is already craving this retreat, and I can feel that this is a message for someone out there. You will not be the same person before and after, exactly like the healing session, as I am operating from a very advanced, thank you, system, technology. This retreat, this healing, this transformation has been co-creating between me, the universe, Andromedan stellar races, Arcturians, Lemurians, for you to have a 3 days and 3 nights life-changing experience in a very, very sacred land, volcanic island of Lanzarote, Canary Island. Anything else, please, that you need to know? I would like to have one more card or two. Thank you. Bottom of the deck. Oh, God, yeah. Transformation. As I was talking about that, this portal is about to free yourself. I just got the confirmation. You're about to free yourself. This is your chance to just free yourself. And this retreat also. Gifts. Gifts. You're about to receive your gifts, and this is a message that keeps coming in. That's why you receive this preparation treatment today. Activating, preparing your body, because you're going to download your gifts, talents, abilities through this portal. This 888 portal will activate your gifts. You need to prepare, you need to set an intention that you're ready to receive your gifts. What do we need to know? Healthy lifestyle. Yes, this is a non-negotiable condition. Your body has to be healthy. Water, only water. Healthy food, fruits, a lot of nuts. No animal, no dead animal. This is low vibrational energy, and if you want to receive your gifts, your galactic powers, your body has to be pure. No death inside. A maximum of fruits, working out. This is the more you will treat your body as a temple to receive the light, the more you will activate your gift. And by activating your gift, you will activate your abundance, which is another gift. Your gift will activate your physical gift, your abundance. Oh my God. Healing, yes. Yes, has a confirmation, okay? Taking good care of your body is the most important healing process. As you take care of every single aspect of your body, not only nutrition, who you let in your house, who you let in your body, at what time you wake up on the morning, at what time you go to bed. Are you smoking? Are you taking substances? It's time to stop all of that. You are blessed to be able to watch today my video. It's because you're precious. Your guide has orchestrated this. You're a chosen one. You're destined to do beautiful things here on this planet. You have to be healthy. It's non-negotiable. It's like you have a light. You had a life before. You have a light. You have the gift of light that is coming. So you have a life, new life after. Today, it's your new day. It's your new dawn. It's your new life. It's a new dawn. It's a new day. It's a new love for me. It's a new love. It's a new day. And I'm feeling good. You have to enjoy and treat your body as the temple that it is, to receive more light and more light and more light and more light. I love you. I'll record a video for the 888 as it like an evidence. I want to share this energy with you, my beautiful people. And until next time, I wish you well. Namaste.